Do you know that you can add a captions like this? So this is a sample table and there is a caption like list of recent transaction. So how we can do it quickly in Apple numbers? So let's see, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So this is the sample table. This table and this table are exactly same. Just for our demo purposes, I created this before to show you how you can give this type of outlook. So at first we need to click the table where we want to add the caption, and then you have to click the format. If the format sidebar is not visible, you can click here and then it will be enabled. Now from here we have to come the table options. There are two options are there. One is title and that is caption. By default, when you add any like table, the caption will be unchecked. To add a caption, we just need to click here and then you will find a text like caption is there. Now you can add a caption. Suppose for example, I want to add a caption like my caption for example like this. So in this way you can add a caption in table using Apple numbers.